In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly check how many products you have in your Shopify store. Start by logging in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside, click Products from the left-hand menu. On the Products page, Shopify will display all of your products in one place. Near the top of the product list, you'll see the total number of products currently in your store. If you have multiple pages of products, Shopify will still show the total count, making it easy to see your inventory size at a glance. You can also use the search bar and filters to view products by status, collection, vendor, or inventory level if you want a more detailed breakdown. For larger stores, the product count displayed on the products page is the quickest way to monitor how many items you currently have listed. That's it. You can now easily see how many products are in your Shopify store and keep track of your inventory. Thanks for watching.